Today, let's talk about something we usually see and we often use at home. Do you know that our country get water resources from the rains and it will flow to the river, lakes and dams. So, before the water distributed to our home, it will be treated at first. So, for more details, let's see how the process works. There are 5 types of pipe in our home with their different functions. They are communication pipe, distribution pipe, service pipe, overflow pipe, and washout pipe. Water flows start from communication pipe.
For communication pipe is a water state company responsibility such as Shabas and also for supply pipe. Water supply will directly supply water from the street to our house. A communication pipe is a pipe running from the water main to the boundary of property to allow a structure to connect with a multiple water supply.
This is service pipe. Service pipe giving water supply from water meter continue to water storage tank in our house. Furthermore, service pipe also can supply water directly to our kitchen. Service pipe use tank made of galvanic iron. Through service pipe, we can control the water running process by looking the gate wave app service pipe.
When you look at the tank, you can see there is a distribution pipe. The pipe is within the structure that convey water from the water service pipe to the point of utilization. From this pipe, you can enjoy your drinking water, take shower, and wash your clothes.
If you can see there, overflow pipe placing is slightly higher at the water tank. If the ball valve can work properly or damaged, this pipe will have flow through the water to the other pipe, mounted slightly above the full water tank, supplying water to overflow in the event of to damage to the ball valve and pipe.
Washout pipe. Well guys, let's look at our washout pipe. Washout pipe is designed to remove dust and odor. You may wash the tank a 6 months each by opening the gate valve. The water will remove from the tank.
So now we already understand about our plumbing system at home, right? Thanks for watching and don't forget to save water at home. Bye bye guys.